How long does the process take?
The actual answer is that it depends. Everyone's credit is different, so each credit repair process is going to be a little bit different. However, there are two main variables that will affect the length of time your credit repair process will take. The first variable relates to the actual items you currently have on your credit report. If you have had a very active credit history for many years and have a large number of trade lines in your credit report containing a large number of erroneous, outdated, or unverifiable information, it may take much longer to get those rectified and reported accurately than someone else who may have only had one or two things that are being misreported. The second variable depends on you. Disputing inaccurate items on your credit report by mail allows the credit bureaus 30 days to respond according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The credit bureaus, by law, will only send updates directly to you, so the time it takes for you to respond to their updates will determine the length of time each round of disputing will take to have on your credit report to reflect accurately. National Credit Federation has several systems in place, along with years of experience in working with the credit bureaus, to make this process as fast as possible.